Hi everybody, my name is Chelsie Bourbon and I am coming to you from the Malheur ESD to talk to you about Google Classroom rubrics. I'm going to show you how to create a rubric for easy grading and student feedback. First, why Google Classroom rubrics? Well, it's a time saver. You get quick student feedback with comments and the points that you give for the different pieces on your rubric. Expectations are very quick, so students know what they need for that specific assignment. Scaffolding is clear to earn their grade, and grading is just made easier. Today, I'm just going to create a very simple assignment, but some ideas that you could do are writing, vocabulary slides, maybe a reading report, a science experiment. Basically, anything that you want to add in your Google Classroom, you can create a rubric for. I've also done it to where I have had a book project that they did in class. It was a cereal box, but I still put the rubric as an assignment in Google Classroom because it was so easy to grade and the kids could see the rubric. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and go to my Google Classroom. The first thing that you're wanting to do when you're here is hit classwork. From there, you're going to want to go ahead and hit create. And there you're going to hit assignment or quiz or question, whatever you're looking at. I'm going to go ahead and just make this all about me paragraph because I'm going to make it a pretty simple rubric. I just want a basic topic sentence, 3 details or examples, and conclusion sentence. Again, I'm going to make this very simple today, but you can definitely add levels to your rubrics, like 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can really specify how they earn a 4, how they earn a 3, how they earn a 2, and how they earn a 1. Here, you're going to go ahead and attach either a Google Doc or slide, whatever you're working with. I'm going to go ahead and hit Google Doc. It'll open up the document. You can add directions in there or pictures, whatever you need. I just want it to be blank because I'm just going to have them write about themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the X button and head back to my Google Classroom. This part is really important. You do want to make sure that instead of going to students can view file, you want to go to make a copy for each student. And from here, this is where you're going to go ahead and hit rubric. You hit the little plus sign. The cool thing is you can reuse rubrics or import ones that you already have. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create the rubric. The first thing that I want is a topic sentence. For the shortness of the video, I'm not going to add description, but you're able to write, make sure you have capitals, punctuation, etc. And then right here, you just hit add criterion. And this one, I'm going to put details and examples. And again, you can put description in. I'm going to make this one worth 3 points because I wanted 3 details. And this one I left as 1 point because I just want the topic sentence. And then I'm going to hit add criterion again. And my last one is just going to be the conclusion sentence. Now, if eventually you want to show like 4 is advanced, 3 is proficient, you just hit these little plus buttons. Maybe 2 is basic and 1 is your below basic. You can put the level titles here. So I could put advanced, and then I could say what that looks like. And so I know that we have lots, as teachers, we have lots of rubrics that are given to us in print form, but for students, it would be really awesome if you do use Google Classroom to have those put it in here. So you can just copy them right into your Google Classroom. All right, when you're all done with what you would like for your rubric, you're gonna go ahead and hit save. And then you're all ready to hit assign. Now my assignment is right here. When I click on it, I can see the rubric. So when I introduce the assignment, I can click this right here and I can say, this is the topic sentence. These are the details. This is how you earn certain points. When I did the levels, 4 points, 3 points, 2 points, 1 point, all of this will come up just like this with any description that you put in, etc. When I go to actually look at the assignment for students, none of my students have actually turned this in because I just created it. But you are able to see who's turned it in, and you're able to go and click and look at and grade from the side. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I go to something that we've already done. Okay, so here's my rubric, dialogue writing. All I wanted was 8 pieces of dialogue, and then the dialogue was used correctly as far as the grammar. So if I go in here, I can see who turned it in. So if I look here, sorry about that, I can look and see who has turned it in, who I've graded, who has not turned it in. The cool part is I can go here, click on their assignment. This is where I can assign points as I'm looking at their actual assignment. So as I'm grading it, I can go ahead and assign points here. When I assign points, it's really awesome because it gives you a total up here without doing anything. One thing I did want to show you is if you click right here on this little bubble, and maybe there's something that you want to make sure that the student knows. I know that a lot of times I have to tell the student some of the same comments. You can add comments to bank this way. And then if you find one that you like, maybe please take a look at the rubric for the points you missed and redo for a better score. So maybe I would click here and I go back to my rubric, and then I can go and paste it here, and then I could post it and then return to the student. So that's a pretty cool feature on the Google Classroom rubrics as well. I hope that you got something out of this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.